Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have my Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So let's get in here and see what scents we got for this month. In case you are new to Simply Earth, it is an essential oil recipe box that comes out monthly. It is $39 a month, and each month you receive 4 essential oils, 6 recipe cards, plus extras to help you make some of those recipes. When you initially sign up, you also receive a bonus box where you will get 2 of the carrier oils, the almond and the coconut, some beeswax, a coconut oil that's in solid form, and then 6 each 10 ml roller balls and the 5 ml bottles that you can do blending in. We'll talk about that as we get into it. Let's open the box and see what we've got. This is sent to me free for review, and I am an affiliate with Simply Earth. I know that I'm usually a makeup channel, but I love essential oils. I have done them for years. I love the ability to make some non-toxic choices for my home. Mostly, I love to diffuse and make some of the body products. You guys know, you see my Grove unboxings. I still buy cleaners. I try and buy better cleaners. I try and buy fewer cleaners. But anything that I can make with these that I enjoy, I just know is toxin-free. So I try and do as much with it as I can. So when we open up this month's box, this is what we have. So we have our little card of stickers, and these will be stickers that we can apply to like anything that we make. And that'll tell us what we've made, because I always think that I'll remember, and then I start making these products and a month or 2 goes by and I'm like, was that the foot cream or the hand cream? So once we make the recipes that they tell us in here, we have nice stickers. We have our 6 recipe cards, our 4 oils, and our extras. So this is the box. The one that you just saw is what you will get each month for $39. And when you first sign up, you will get this box, which has a $40 value with all of the extras. Plus, with my code below, you will get another $40 gift card to put towards a future purchase. So let's get in here and see what this month brings us. So on the back of our recipe cards, we also have additional information like a note from Kate, the owner, questions about this month's box, a sneak peek at next month's box, which I will try really hard to circle back to at the end of this. I always try and do that. And then something that tells us about each of the scents that we have in this box. And then you are making a difference with Sojourn House. By purchasing this box, you are partnering with Sojourn House to help bring an end to human trafficking. Each month, 13% of all Simply Earth profits are donated to organizations like Sojourn House. And then it says here's a little more about the work they're doing in this month's box. And it tells us that the Sojourn House is based in Indiana, not far from Simply Earth's home base in Wisconsin. They work by supporting women who are recovering from the trauma of addiction, abuse, and exploitation. And I've said this in the past, I love working with boxes that give back. I just love the positive influence. Reaching in first, I have the Juniper Berry, and that is what that looks like. Let's take the lid off and see how it smells. And I will tell you as I do that, that you should always dilute these when you use them on your body. Oh, that smells so good. It smells fresh and clean. It smells just like Juniper Berry. That's the beauty of essential oils, is it's just a concentrated version of whatever they are. Sometimes it's leaves, sometimes it's berries. They get the oils from different places, but it almost always has such a nice scent. And I say almost because there are actually a couple of essential oil scents, even popular ones, that I just don't care for. Whenever you are going to apply an essential oil to your body, it needs to be diluted. I always say, in this 10 ml bottle that they send us, you probably need about 4 drops of this, and then just diluted with the almond oil or the coconut oil. That's really all you need to get the benefits of whatever they tell you the benefits of the oil are going to be. And they will also tell us if they are kid safe or pet safe, and that's something else you want to be aware of. You don't want to put these on your children if they are too young, and some you cannot use around pets. You don't want to diffuse them around pets, and you don't want to leave them on your hands if you're going to be petting your pet. Is that why we call them pets? Because we pet them? I'm just saying. Okay. This says that the Juniper Berry is good to use for energy and to soothe inflammation. Dilute before using on your skin. It is kid safe 2+. It is pregnancy safe. Consult your doctor. It is cat safe and dog safe. And I just love that they give us all that information just right up front. Our next oil is Citrus Burst. That sounds fantastic. Let's get in here and see what this smells like. Oh my goodness, that smells, I smell the lemon, but oh my goodness. I just want to diffuse this. I want my whole house just to smell like this. I would say it's like a freshly peeled orange, but it's not. There's definitely the lemon. You know, it almost smells like a lemon now or later tastes. Kind of lemony, but sweet. It's fantastic. And it tells us that it is lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, and bergamot essential oils. And this says that its uses are for cleaning and uplifting. I bet if you diffuse this in your house, it would just put you in a good mood. Kid safe, 2+, not recommended for pregnancy. Cat safe, no. Dog safe, yes. So you have to be super aware of these. Next, we have Copaiba. I don't know what that is. Copaiba? That is what that looks like. Let's see what it smells like. I don't think I know what this is. Oh, and it has a different lid. It's a white lid, and usually we have clear lids. It doesn't have much of a scent to it. It smells kind of smoky. Let's see what they say it is. It just kind of has a smoky scent to me. It says that it is Capoeira, and it's from Brazil, and it's warm and resinous. I don't know what that means, but let's see what they say. They say that it's good for calming and soothing inflammation. Kid safe, 2+. Pregnancy, yes, but consult your physician. Cat safe, yes. Dog safe, yes. Our last oil in this box is the grapefruit. Well, we know what to anticipate this smelling like. It's going to smell like grapefruit, which I can smell. I can even diffuse in my house. If you watch the channel, you know I'm allergic to grapefruit, but I have no issue using it, you know. Enough of it in diffusing doesn't get on me that I have a problem with it. So I can use it in scents. I just can't put it in things that I'm going to blend and put on my skin. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like grapefruit. I just love the citrus. The citrus just smells so good. Oh, that's fantastic. Let's see what they tell us about the grapefruit. It uplifts, energizes, and balances oily skin. So if you can use it, so that's why it's in so many cosmetic products, because it balances oily skin. Kid safe, 2 and up. Pregnancy, yes. Consult physician. They will always say that even if they say yes. But I would indeed consult a physician. I personally would not take up essential oils when I was pregnant. I tend to err always in life on the side of caution, but it's not a hobby I would take up if I were pregnant. Cat safe, no. Dog safe, yes. Those are our 4 oils. So let's quickly review what are recipes that they've told us how to make. Now you can make anything you want to make with these. I'm sure you could Google the oils and find a million other things to do with them, but they give us 6 recipes and it's a great way to get started. I diffuse almost everything. You get a diffuser, usually they call for like half, 3/4 of a cup of water, but read your directions on your diffuser. And then you just put 4 or 5 drops of whatever oil or whatever oil blend you want in it, and it just scents your home. It smells so good. And then you're not burning a candle, so you don't have all the risks that go with the candle and the fire and the wax. I just love them. Anyway, so I just looked up, and this month's theme is Hey Beautiful, which explains why we have a cucumber soothing eye mask. And I won't go through all of the recipes, but I will tell you that in this one, you use a small cucumber, which I think is interesting. 2 drops of the copaiba oil, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, which you will have because it will come in your bonus box, and cotton rounds, which I just happened to see in the box. So you don't even have to have cotton rounds to do this recipe. They've given you enough to get started. It's like essential oils and crafting all in one. Next, we have the Citrus Summer Diffuser Blend. I love the diffuser blends. And it says to use 2 drops of the grapefruit, 3 drops of the citrus burst, and 1 drop of the juniper berry. And you just put that, like I said, in your diffuser with how much ever water your diffuser calls for, and you'll get the scent that they want. And also, the reason they send you these 5 ml bottles, they have little dropper lids, and it tells you at the bottom of all of their diffuser blends, say you use this diffuser blend and you love it, you can take this and they give you the master blend to fill this up. So in the future, you won't have to go get all of your bottles. You'll just have this. And it tells you that you will use 33 drops of grapefruit, 50 drops of citrus burst, and 16 drops of juniper berry. Shake it, and you've got your master blend. And then over here in our stickers, we have the Citrus Summer Diffuser Blend. So you can just wrap that around this, and you'll always know what it is. Okay, next we have Sweet Lips Exfoliating Lip Scrub. Interesting. This calls for sugar, honey, your almond oil, 2 drops of the grapefruit, 1 drop of the copaiba, and a small jar, and you do have to provide the small jar. And then you will have just made your own lip scrub. I know, how great is that, right? Next we have a citrus face mist, and that is a 1/4 cup hot distilled water. I wonder why hot. 2 drops of the grapefruit oil, 2 drops of the citrus burst, 1 drop of the juniper, 1 coffee filter. Okay, now we're working out why. And a 2-ounce spray bottle. Interesting. Add the essential oils to the hot water, cover and let sit for 20 minutes until the water has cooled to room temperature. Pour the mixture through the coffee filter to remove the oil drops. Pour the mixture into the spray bottle, which they have given us in our box, and spray your face throughout the day to refresh, set makeup, and balance your skin's oil production. That is very interesting. I haven't ever done anything like that. I have made several of these recipes, but I have never brought water hot, put the oil in it, so it just must scent the water. That's really interesting. Next, we have a sweet citrus lip balm. That is what that looks like. And it takes a teaspoon of beeswax, which you will get. That is what is in here. So you will get that in your bonus box. A 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil. You also have that. 1 teaspoon of almond oil. 6 drops of the citrus blend. And then it gives you the instructions on how to make it. And then it says quickly pour mixture into lip balm tubes. Well, guess what? They have given us 2 little lip balm tubes. How fun is that? So you're just going to make your own little lip balms. I just think it's so fun that they give us what we need, especially with everything going on now. I don't want to be going out there in search of lip balm tubes. And last but not least, we have Radiate Joy Roll-On, and that will go in one of these roller balls that I told you guys about. You will use your coconut oil, which is in one of your bottles, 2 drops of the grapefruit essential oil, and 4 drops of the citrus burst essential oil. So 6 drops of oil is all you have in this. The rest is just regular coconut oil. That's how effective essential oils are. Just put the oils in, fill it the rest of the way with the fractionated coconut oil, swirl, and then you can label it. You will have a label that says Radiate Joy Roll-On, and you'll know what it is, which, again, I'm telling you, it matters. Because if you like this and you start doing it all, you'll be like, what was in that roller ball now? Trust me. All right, so that is their August 2020 box. If you have any interest in this, I will put my link below. Again, I am an affiliate with them. You will receive your box, which has your oils, your recipe cards, and your extra. With your first box, you will also receive this bonus box, and you will receive a $40 gift card for a future purchase. Just if you have any interest, not pushing it all. It's just something that I love, and I love to play with and talk about, so that's what I do. I come on and do it. So I did remember next month's spoiler. The theme, You Stinker. In that box, they are fighting odor without toxic chemicals. Ooh, they tell us what the oils are. I'll wait a minute in case you want to go away. Thanks for coming by. Okay, in the September box, your oils will be Defender, which is going to be a blend that they've made, clove, lemon eucalyptus, and blood orange. Those all sound fantastic. Oh, and our recipes. Want to know our recipes? Guys, this is a heck of a spoiler we have here. Drawer deodorizers, a diffuser blend, a roll-on, plus 3 more fun recipes. Okay, so they didn't overshare with that. They want us to be surprised. We're going to get a tea bag, a spray bottle, plus 1 more surprise. So that was a pretty good spoiler. So this month, it is Hey Beautiful, and next month, it is You Stinker. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Take care.